In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Quick Stack to Webflow. First, open your site in the Webflow Designer. Make sure you're on the page and section where you want the new layout to live, so when you add the element, it lands exactly where you expect. Now, open the Add panel, also called Elements, on the left side of the Designer. This is where all layout and content blocks live. If your panel is collapsed, click it once to expand the full list. From here, select the Quick Stack element. In most projects, you'll see it grouped alongside other layout tools. Clicking it will insert a Quick Stack at your current selection on the canvas. If you don't immediately see it, switch the category filter to Structure in the Add panel. Structure focuses on foundational layout elements, which helps surface Quick Stack if your panel is showing a different category. If the list refreshes or collapses while you browse, click Structure again so you stay in the right place. With the Quick Stack now on your page, click it on the canvas to make sure it's selected. You'll see its blue outline and the element label, which confirms you're editing the correct block. Next, move to the Style panel on the right. This is where Quick Stack shines. Adjust gap to control spacing between items, set padding to give the stack breathing room, and define width constraints so it behaves well across screen sizes. You can also switch layout directions and alignment options to fine-tune how content flows without writing any CSS. Small changes here have a big impact on responsiveness, so preview at a few breakpoints as you go. Then, open the Settings panel. Use this to set semantic tags if needed, add IDs for anchor links, and apply attributes that help with accessibility and integration. Keeping these details tidy makes your layout more maintainable and easier to target later. If you plan to animate your layout, head over to the Interactions panel. With the Quick Stack selected, you can create simple on-scroll or on-load effects that move or fade its child elements in a staggered sequence. Keep animations subtle so they complement the clean structure Quick Stack provides. When you're happy with everything, click Publish. Choose the destination you use for previews, then wait for the confirmation. Once published, open the live link to double-check spacing, alignment, and behavior on mobile and desktop. And that's it. You've added a Quick Stack, styled it, configured settings, and prepped it for interactions, all inside Webflow.